Let's meet Delaney of Belleville, Illinois. She's a junior, sports communication major with minors in social media marketing and public relations and advertising. Bradley's Charlie Steiner School of Sports Communication, the first named sports communication school in the entire nation, is just one of the many avenues BU students have for networking and hands-on experience. Here's more from Delaney.
Cameras are set. All right, Delaney, you ready for this? You're on in 3, 2.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, everyone. When I started the college selection process, I quickly discovered that finding a school with a sports communication program was not going to be an easy task. Bradley University immediately stood out to me because it had everything I was looking for in the Charlie Steiner School of Sports Communication. My first week on campus, I took photos at a soccer game that were posted on the team's Twitter that night. Less than a month into my freshman year, I was working my first practice with the club hockey team. I knew I had found my place. Not only have I been able to find roles and positions to help propel myself in my career field, but I've also been able to balance these opportunities with activities that are simply for fun. I'm in a sorority, started my own organization, worked for the club hockey team and the athletic department. I'm a news anchor, and I'm on the Dean's List. Inspired by my access to working in sports, I founded Bradley's Sports Girls Club, an organization designed specifically to support women in sports. The faculty here has been the biggest supporters throughout my journey as a woman in sports, and I could not be more thankful. Bradley has offered me so much more than I ever could have imagined. College should be more than just an academic experience. Bradley has given me all the tools I need to prepare for my career, while allowing me the freedom to participate in activities that are purely for my own enjoyment. Well, I've got a newscast to get to. Back to you, Alex. Starting off with hockey, this weekend was a huge weekend for the Braves as they faced Nebraska in their home opener.
That hockey game sounds exciting. Thank you, Delaney, for showcasing the freedom Bradley students have to shape themselves personally and professionally. It's astounding how many BU students on the Dean's List maintain a full schedule of interests. It goes to show that Bradley is overflowing with opportunities just waiting to be experienced. Thanks again, Delaney.